Okay, so um, pretty much what we're going to do is we are going to make this guy look like he is coming apart into several pieces. I'm going to go to the polygon lasso tool and cut this gentleman out real quick. Looks like he might try to run from me, but I don't think he can. It's got some nice Chuck Taylors on though. Just a moment while I go around this guy. It's gonna be really rough for the purpose of time, because time is the winning formula. Go around his face, get the gist of it. I wonder what he's reaching for. Some important papers probably blew away. Alright. Down his wrist. Blah blah blah. So this will take a moment, obviously. Almost there. Make sure and get his briefcase. Around the knee. The home stretch. For the win. Alright, so we got him all lassoed up. I'm gonna Command J, create a new layer of just him cut out. We're gonna create a brand new layer with nothing on it. Go to Layer, New Layer. I'm gonna name it White. Obviously, we're gonna be putting some white in there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our brushes. You can use, like, I guess you can find some downloadable brushes that are like paint splatters, but I seem to do it alright with the brushes that are already on here. So we'll go to brush, we'll go to window, brush, brush presets. Found the leaf one works the best. So we'll go to brush settings, shape dynamics, we'll click that, and we'll brush the shape dynamics, put everything at about 50%. Now it's really big, so we'll size it down. A little bit more. Really small, you want it kind of small to start out with. And we'll just go, oh, we're painting with black, hold on. Pick a white color, because our layer is called white. And we're just going to kind of go down the back of this guy and take out a little bit of pieces. So here we go. Let's see. And then I like to get a different brush and kind of, so go window, brush, find a different brush like this little water one right here. It's like a little splatter one. Make it really small. Just go along the edge here just to kind of give it a little bit different effect. That's good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go back to this layer that we cut out earlier, Command J, and we'll just duplicate another layer, make an exact copy. So layer one copy. We're gonna free transform, Command T.
Sounds good, thank you.
And we're gonna make this guy bigger than our original gentleman that is running. Alright, position him behind him somewhat. So about right there. Now we're gonna hit return and apply that. So we're gonna go over here to filter, liquify, and then we're just gonna kind of mess this guy up. And this doesn't really apply that much thought, just kind of make him look weird. Return to apply that filter. Okay, and then we're on this layer, we're gonna go to layer, layer mask, and we're gonna select hide all. So boom, it puts a black deal over it and you can't see nothing. And then we're going to get a brush. So we will go to window, brush, and I'm just going to use this little star design. So size it down a little bit, and then since it's a black mask that we put on there, we're going to want to paint with white. And as you can see, it kind of leaves a little bit of them starting to come along, I guess. Alright. And then I'll just grab like a different brush, like that leaf one that we were using earlier, and just put a little bit different kind of look to it. Now if you get like this area looks like it's really solid, you can just go back with black, since it's a black mask, and it'll kind of break it up a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to go to the layer that's labeled white, and we're going to go to layer mask, and we're going to go to reveal all, and when we paint with black, or paint with white. Hold on. That was looking really bad, so I'm gonna go back and I just deleted the layer mask on that layer that we did. I'm gonna go back and try to fix this. Okay, so I just took a second. I didn't like the way this looked back here before, so I just went and redid it and didn't make you sit through all of it. So where I'm at now is I have gone up to the layer that I labeled white, and I went to layer mask, and then put a reveal all layer on it, and I'm painting with black. And what I'm gonna do is go in and just this like white halo that's right here, I'm just gonna try to like clean that up real quick. There, so now it looks a little bit more blended than before. Okay, now this layer 1 that I just I copied earlier and didn't do anything with, I'm just gonna move it in between the two labels that I have with layer mask on them, which would be layer 1 copy and white. And then I'm gonna go to right click on the one I just moved, go to blending options, and instead of normal I'm gonna go to color burn, and you can see that makes it a lot darker. So I'm just gonna go over here and grab an eraser, and what I want to do is erase everything except for this back line, because it'll make it look more realistic as connecting with the rest of the pieces. So just erase this except towards that back edge. Bam. So there you have it. Pretty much the different kind of brushes you use and different amount of time that you take to spend on it, you can get different kind of results. So thanks.